My name is 𝗃𝗶𝗱𝗲𝗁𝘁 with American Equipment. When we purchased a property to build our brick-and-mortar facility for our business, we needed some temporary structures to house employee vehicles and company vehicles. The Allen's Factory Outlet team was fantastic about getting some structures out in a timely manner, to the point that we added a large structure for the RV and a temporary office space while we build the actual building. We chose 3 structures. 2 of them were identical. They were 24-foot by 72-foot parking structures to house our vehicles. And then we chose a 50-foot by 52-foot structure to house the RV and our temporary office space. The 3D Builder customization process was a great tool. I'm a very visual person, and it was welcoming to see a product in front of me that I could be confident that the final product would match, and the 3D Builder was spot on. Our favorite features about these metal buildings are the painted exterior, the paint-matched hardware, the heights of the buildings, the opening, the great big opening on the 50 by 52, and we love the durability of the materials. If we could add one future feature innovation to our garage, it would be garage doors or windows. I would definitely recommend Allen's Factory Outlet to others. The customer service staff is impeccable, the installation crew is responsive and friendly, and the entire experience was above and beyond what I was expecting. We discovered Allen's Factory Outlet through Google searching, viewed numerous websites, and Allen's Factory Outlet was very professional on their website, put together, very easy to use. The 3D Builder was a great tool to see exactly what we were looking for before we were able to bring in someone from their customer support team. First-time users with Allen's, and we were impressed every step of the way.